All right, we did have a flood advisory. It expired at 6:30, so there are no more advisories or watches in effect for the state, so the weather alert has been canceled. As you can see, some scattered showers. I promised you about an hour ago that most of this activity would be gone, and it is, but unfortunately the damage is done. The roads are wet. You've got a little bit of ponding out there on the roadways, especially in northeast and southeast Connecticut. If you're driving along 395 or if you're moving through Voluntown this morning, be careful. Preston, Connecticut also dealing with some of that scattered shower activity. But the rest of the state, it's just kind of gloomy out there. It's kind of humid and it's kind of cloudy. So it's raining all over again in parts of northeast and southeast Connecticut. It is winding down, though. More showers through the day. Grab the umbrella, carry it with you, rather be safe than sorry. It is not going to be raining today like it did yesterday. Yesterday we picked up 5 inches of rain. 5 inches is more than a month's worth of rain, and I'm sure we picked up another inch, so basically a half a foot of rain in parts of the state during the day yesterday. It was a deluge. Beautiful ICAM in Bradley, looking good there, and the temperatures, you're going to need your lightweight, light-colored clothing during the day today. The temperature's going to be close to 80 degrees, and it's not only going to be warm, but it's going to be humid. Look at the dew points in the mid-60s out there, if not the upper 60s along the shoreline. So on the comfort index, not quite oppressive, but it is muggy nonetheless. The winds are out of the north, anywhere from 6 to 10, and that's a favorable direction for us. It's trying to get rid of all of this rainfall. You can see it moving from west to east. So there are more scattered showers back to the north and west and south and west. So you'll start to see these materializing here in Connecticut through the day today. So we're not quite out of the woods. According to Early Warning Futurecast, it's tomorrow's weather today. Shows us an hour-by-hour depiction of mostly cloudy skies. This is 4 o'clock this afternoon. We dot the landscape with a couple of scattered showers. Maybe an isolated thunderstorm, but that's about it. And then tonight we start to dry things out. Tomorrow, I think Futurecast is overplaying it. Tomorrow morning when we wake up, it'll be a little bit cloudy, but as we wear on through the day tomorrow, I think we're going to see some partial sunshine, and the risk for shower activity is very low tomorrow, even though it does dot the landscape at around 7 p.m., so you kind of ignore that. All right, welcome to the Olympics. It's the 5-ring circus out in the tropics. Ridiculous. Florence is, of course, the one that we're monitoring. We have been for days. As a matter of fact, for about a week now. You can see the menacing storm system. What happened overnight is it went from a 3 to a 2. And as it makes landfall, it's possibly going to go to a 1. So a little bit less in intensity. However, the forward motion is basically non-existent. You'll notice it. This is Futurecast. This is through this afternoon. It doesn't really go very far at all. And it just sits and spins out over the open waters, maintaining its strength. This is tonight around 8:30, and then it finally starts to make landfall tomorrow morning. This is 5:30, but this is hours and hours and hours of incredible amounts of rain. 2 feet, possibly 3 feet of rain, storm surge, the whole 9 yards. So even if it's not a 3 or a 4, a 1 or a 2 can still do a devastating amount of damage. Here's the hurricane warnings. Don't go to this part of the country. Just stay away from there. And if you can, watch accordingly, 2 to a 1, and then watch it as it starts to meander its way back up. By Tuesday, it starts making its way towards us, and we might have some showers and thunderstorms in our state Tuesday, the result of Florence. But that's about the direct impact for us. No real threat. Highs today will be in the mid to upper 70s. Your 7-day forecast includes some much nicer weather Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, all looking good. Tuesday, a chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms, and then Wednesday, dry. And the temperatures are above average for the foreseeable future. Look at that warm weekend, a summer-like weekend headed in our direction.